5-minute guided meditation for gratitude. Get comfortable, whether that's seated or lying down, and gently close down your eyes. These next 5 minutes are for you and only you. A moment for you to express appreciation for all that you are, all that you have, and all that you've been given. Take a deep breath in and release. 2 more deep breaths. Breathe in and release. 1 more time. Breathe in and release. Right now in this moment, I want you to bring to the forefront of your mind someone or something or an experience that you are immensely grateful for. Visualize it in every detail, colors. Experience the feeling of that gratitude. Good. When you are in a state of gratitude, you are open to receiving more than you can imagine. Gratitude is high vibration. It allows you to attract more of what you want into your life. Right now, I want you to bring to memory 3 other things that you're grateful for. People or experiences. Say it out loud to yourself or quietly. Throughout your day, come back to these images of gratitude and joy for grounding. Re-experience those feelings. Breathe in and let go. Breathe in and let go. Repeat these affirmations. I am grateful for my body. I am grateful for my mind. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for food to eat. I am grateful for friends. And I am grateful for this moment of opportunity right here. It's easy to focus on all the things that we do not have. It's human nature. But you've just given yourself the gift that keeps on giving, an attitude of gratitude. Is an abundant, filled life. Come back to this meditation as often as you need to. It's here for you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And namaste.